Our big shout out to you because you made it to the last day of this very challenge. This is the day 7 of this very challenge. We started from the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and this is the day 7 of these 7 days YouTube automation challenge. Okay, and my joy is this, my happiness is this, that most of you that started without any experience about YouTube, I already launched your monetized YouTube channel. Okay, and that is a big win for me. All right, that's the reason why I end up making videos every single day. Even when I need to rest, I always make videos so that you guys can actually stay consistent. Okay, because I know there are people out there looking up to me. There are people out there who I motivate by showing up every single day. Okay, and when I show up, those people take action, and that is what gives me joy. And this is the day 7 of this very challenge. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually turn your channel to a brand in 2026, and also the mistakes that you should not make once you already have your channel and also you have your already monetized channel. Okay, so in day 7 we're going to be doing only 4 simple steps. All right, so the step 1, I'm going to be showing you the content that brand loves, what can actually attract brands to your channel. Okay, and also the step 2, I'm going to be showing you tools that can actually help you to run your YouTube channel for a longer period of time. Most of them are free. All right, and also I'm going to be showing you the mistake that kills most YouTube channels. All right, and the last but not the least, I'm going to be giving a big shout out to most of you guys. So without further ado, let's get into it right now. Okay, this is the content that brand loves. Okay, so remember in a previous video, which was the day 5 of this very challenge, I showed you how you can actually attract brand, and I told you the website you need to go to. So if you've not watched our day 5, if you've not watched our day 6, day 4, day 3, day 2, day 1, go ahead and revisit them and watch the full detailed tutorial to get started with your YouTube automation. Okay, so for you to attract brand right now, number 1, you have to make tutorial videos, how to do this, how to do that, how to create this, how to create that, how to set up this website, how to set up that application. Okay, because most of the brands might actually have a website that they want you to review. Okay, and from the tutorials you'll be making, it will give them the go ahead order to actually work with you. Okay, the next type of content you can actually make is the how-to content. Okay, so how to do this, how to set up this, how to make your phone battery last longer, how to set up your phone screen. And the best part is that you might not even show your face because we've already created our avatar. You might not add your voice because I've already shown you how you can actually generate voiceovers, longer voiceovers, not 11 lab. This one is free. I've already shown you that in the day 3 of this very challenge. Just go ahead and watch that. Okay, the type of content you can actually make that will attract brand is product demos. All right, another one is comparison. Okay, you can actually compare ChatGPT versus Gemini. Okay, so this type of content makes more sense. You can actually compare Hostinger versus Bluehost. Okay, so these are 2 different giants and you can actually compare 2 of them. Okay, you can actually make educational walkthrough like I'm showing you right now, how to do this, how to set this up. And I spend over 7 days creating content, making sure that you guys understand most of the basic businesses that you find difficult to understand before. Okay, so by breaking this down into 7 simple steps, it's going to simply be easier for you to digest it and also implement it instantly. Okay, so these are the type of content that will attract brands. So all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and add your contact information on your channel so that it will be easier for people or brand to contact you. Okay, tools you need to start using right now if you're already in a YouTube channel. Okay, so the first tool you can actually use right now is vidIQ. Okay, so we have vidIQ right here, and vidIQ is a platform which I've already shown you for keyword research. Okay, we have Notion. This is for planning, for your script, for your content calendar, and lots more. So for you to actually send and promote your content, you can use Metricool. Okay, so Metricool is just like Buffer, where you can actually schedule your social media content, and that's going to simply reduce the stress of you going to those platforms one after the other to post your content in them all. Okay, so the next website you can actually use, and also the next application, is Google Trend. Okay, so remember the video we made, we got the idea from Google Trend. Okay, and also we validated it from vidIQ, and also we started making the video. Okay, so we've already published that particular video in a day 5. Okay, so go ahead and watch the day 5 to understand what we're talking about. Okay, and the last but not the least tool you can actually use is ChatGPT. Okay, so remember with ChatGPT you can actually write your script, content titles, okay, and lots more. Okay, and with them ChatGPT you can actually validate and know whether your YouTube video is in in compliance with YouTube policy. Okay, that's that for the tools you have to simply keep using. But right now, this is the main part of this particular video, the mistakes you need to avoid. Okay, so I've already shown you everything about YouTube, but if I don't tell you the mistakes that kills most channel, then you're not going to simply understand how this thing works. So we're using people's clips. Okay, so if you're using people's video in your own video, you're uploading people's video, you can actually get your channel terminated or deleted. Okay, and if you're adding misleading title, you have to make sure that whatever your video talks about is what you write on your title. Okay, another thing you have to take note is this: don't add copyright music on your video when you are editing it. Okay, and also don't show fake earnings. Okay, don't even start making how to earn this, how to earn such amount. Okay, so this type of videos right now are risky, inconsistent niche. You have to make sure you pick one particular niche and stick to it. Okay, whether you're getting views or not, you just have to stick to it. A time will come when the right set of audience and the right set of people and the algorithm will start favoring you. Okay, so don't have to give up because your niche is not actually doing well and you are changing niche every single week. That's not going to help you. Okay, all you need to do right now is simply focus on one particular niche, and with this in place, you're going to simply protect your channel from copyright, from demonetization, from takedown. Okay, so big shout out to everybody that sticks with us from the day one of this very challenge, and I'm so happy that most of you have already gotten your YouTube channel, already monetized YouTube channel. Most of you have already launched your blogs, most of you have already launched your applications, and this is just what I want, because most of you that have been watching videos previous years, you don't know how to get started because the videos are short, the videos are not detailed, you keep asking questions without getting an answer to it. Okay, so that's the reason why I've decided to put it upon myself to create detailed video within 7 days for you to understand the basics of a specific business model. Okay, so as this YouTube automation is ending right now, we're going to simply kick off another challenge. Okay, if you know that challenge, just let me know in the comment section. If you want us to start with any other challenge, just let me know in the comment section. If I see more comments on a particular business model or topic, then I'm going to simply look into it, then kick it off and get started with it. Okay, so if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and also share each of these videos to your friends. That's the only support you can actually give us right here on this very channel. Share this video to your friends, share it on your WhatsApp status, on your social media platform. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, and see you in the next challenge.